Hi, I was Samanath. So last video I made last week Wednesday, and my last video I said as I am traveling to Tirupati, I would make a video on Monday. I said because I yesterday only I came so unable to make yesterday. So today and again you can regularly expect the video, right? So without delay we'll go to the video. So today the up move Nifty's up move is reliable or not unreliable. So it's a mixed kind of scenario that and all we will see in the chart. But the true picture may be unrevealed or unmasked on the 14th, that is Bihar election date. So today the second phase of polling was over. So the result will be the counting and result will be announced on 14th. So that may confirm the whether it's upside direction or downside direction. And the more importantly, today the Bajaj Finance share fall more than 7%. Why that has fall? So that also we will see one by one. So before going to the video, disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are for educational purpose, just to share my views. A true investor or trader have to do their own study analysis and have to take their own decision. So with this understanding, before proceeding the video, once again request, please do subscribe and like. Okay, first we will see the Bajaj Finance. A global equity research firm and brokerage firm, Bernstein. So they said Bajaj Finance, the downside target is 640. They downgraded it, and from the current price, it could be 41% fall. So that's what they said. So this one news dragged the share drastically today. So how much that is, that and all we will see in this chart. Okay, first we will see Nifty scenario. So Nifty now it is regaining the upside momentum. So with that respect, again it is crossed 25,650. So this was a very strong support. Though it has margin break and marginally came the downside. Again it has closed above 650. So if it is true closure, then we can expect the upside. So how much we can expect in the upside, on the upside or a downside? So another one, logically we can say that yeah, Nifty's monthly swing, it's around 1200 point. You can see here. Oh, what is that? Yeah. So if you see Nifty's two range, and this is the monthly, so it should be around 1200 1250. So with that respect, so if it is this could be the low. Two things we have to say: from high to low, the swing may be 1250 point, or from the low to high, the swing should be 1200 1250 point. So from the downside, the low to high, if in case this could be the low, so it is the 25,300 range. So from here 1,200 1,250 it comes around 26,500 range. So there is a possibilities by this week, thus far by this month, this may go to 25,500 by this concept, this logic we can say that. Otherwise, the from high to low, if you see, this is the high. So it is 25,800. So with that respect, it comes to 24,800, 24,600. So that is exactly, you can see that, yeah, just a moment. You can see the support, the channel support range. So there is two things. One is 24,800 for this month. From the low, it may come. Otherwise, the high could be 26,500. So there are two things. So possibly we can expect 25,500. The reason is the global scenario also looks quite positive. Okay, then Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty, the major support is 25,500. So it didn't break on the closing basis. Though once it touched the support, the closing was above the support level. So that giving a very good positive optimism. So with that respect, it break the all-time high. So obviously the Nifty also go in the higher side. So similarly, if you see the Nifty auto is also gaining the momentum. So yeah, the first level target or first level resistance would be 37,000. So it's started moving towards the high. The main resistance would be 39,000. So this also giving some positive optimism that we see. Then mid and small 400. This is mid cap 150, small cap 250 collective index. So one of the reliable index and it gives very good market perspective. So this also clearly gaining the upside momentum. So the immediate target would be 20,600. So multiple time last time it has came near to that but unable to break. So by this time it may break in the higher side. So this is what the expectation. So if you see the overall scenario of Indian market, there are a lot of positivity it's showing. But anyway, the Bihar election on 14th, the result may decide the upside. So downside would be 24,800. If not, the upside would be 26,500 would be the target. Okay, so now we will see the big brother US market. So in the last session, Dow Jones closed to 381 point positively, closed to S&P 500 103 points, and the NASDAQ Composite Index 522 points. So if you see that also now gaining the momentum in the higher side. This is the Dow chart, and if you see the S&P 500, it also gaining the upside momentum, and NASDAQ Composite Index also gaining the upside momentum. So if this is true, definitely this will positively impact the our market also. So the overall US market and our market, there is a lot of optimism we can able to see. So let we hope the all-time high. Okay, so now we will see the four stock we used to see, right? So the gainer side F&O stock, we will see four stock, gaining side two stock and losing side two stock. With that respect, in the gaining side, we will see HFCL and Bharat Forge. Idea is the penny stock, so we forgot about this. These two stock we will see. Similarly, in the losing side, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. These two stock we will see one by one. First HFCL. So if you see the HFCL, it is ranging between 73 and 78. So many days it is consolidating this range. Though it is today, it is positively closed. Just a moment. Yes, yeah. So 5.50% it is positively closed. Though such a big green candle, it didn't break the channel. So we have to until unless breaking candle like this forms, we cannot expect the further higher side movement. So this is about HFCL. Then if you see the Bharat Forge, today it close to 5.5 percentage positive closed. And if you see the chart, it looks a very good cup formation. If you see the same stock in the weekly chart, it will give a very good picture. So the upside, the immediate target would be 1600. The second level target would be 1800 would be the target. And it looks very good. You can see here like a W formation. So if that is true, so we can expect 1800. There are a lot of possibilities. Then Bajaj Finance. So already we saw the news, the brokerage firm downgraded the Bajaj Finance. So that's why it is tanked today 7.35 percentage. So if you see the 960 would act as the immediate minor support, the strong support would be 775. So if you see the earlier the 640 and 775 was the range. So it was consolidated very strongly there. From there it has broke and gone on the higher side. So the brokerage firm gave those 640 would be the strong the downside target, but I don't think so. It will come to that level because there is 960 would be on minor support. The strong support would be 775. So I don't think so. This break the 775 in though in case as per the research firm said it comes down. I don't think so. It break the 775. Okay, then Bajaj Finserv. So this also today 6.09 percentage negatively it is closed. So it was in the range between 1900 and 2050. So though it looks break, there is heavy profit booking, and today this news dragged back to the channel. So the immediate support would be 1900. I don't think so. This will break. 1900. So if at all you are considering this 4 stock, please do your own study analysis and take your own decision. So see you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.